Hello everybody, thanks for coming to my channel today. My name is Grace. I'm also known as Littlemama, and I'm from the blog workanywherenow.com. And in this video today, I'm going to show you how to make Amazon pay you guys, okay? It's about time that we learn how to make money with Amazon instead of just shopping on their site and making you know who very rich. So let's get started right now. Alright guys, so here I am. Here's the first Amazon opportunity that you can make money with, and that is at amazon.jobs, okay? So what this site has is lots of employment opportunities with Amazon. So you can have student programs here and even working at their warehouses, or you could do remote career opportunities. So this is the one that I want to pull your attention to because we want to make money online, right, and work from home. So you could view here to look for the jobs that you want for virtual locations. Okay, so there's many different types. There's full-time, 824 options for you to look at, part-time and seasonal. So you could take a look at all the different categories here, and it's worldwide, guys. Okay, so it's not just US. So there's lots for you to choose from here. Okay, the second way to make money with Amazon is Amazon Flex. And this website is found at flex.amazon.com. So with Amazon Flex, you're going to deliver smiles. And why use Amazon Flex? So here are some information. You're going to get great earnings, okay? You're going to be a delivery guy, okay, for Amazon. So you're going to have great earnings, and you're going to be driver basically for here. Okay, all the drivers for Amazon will be going through flex.amazon.com. So what you're doing, you're earning $18 to $25 an hour. Easily track your earnings with the Amazon Flex app. So it's going to be flexible hours, schedule ahead, or pick up any available block of time. Be your own boss, build your own schedule, opportunities available 7 days a week, guys. Okay, so as a driver for Amazon, you're going to have lots of flexibility to choose your own hours. So that is a great option for you. The next site I want to show you is at this one. It's Amazon Mechanical Turk. And this site is found at mturk.com. Okay, it's very short, mturk.com. And what this is that so it's a crowdsourcing marketplace. So individuals and businesses could come here if they want a lot of little processes done for them, and people who want to make money can come on here and do those little tasks. Okay, so this is a great one. You're going to click this, get started with Amazon Mechanical Turk, and then you're going to come here on the right, make money. So make money in your spare time, get paid for completing simple tasks. So all you gotta do is click this create a worker account, and then I'll bring you inside. So the tasks here are very simple. As you can see, there's stuff like extract data from document, or you can kind of add metadata to video clips. So you just kind of add little words. Basically, you just got to add words to the file, the video files. And a lot of these tasks shouldn't be very hard because look at the pay. It's only a few cents here and there, $1. So simplify sentences for non-native English speakers. So this is pretty good. And so there's tons of different things for you guys to do in here. So I'm not going to go through everything, but look, drawing boxes. Okay, 17 cents. I mean, it's not hard, guys. Okay, so there's lots of things that you can do here. So that is mturk.com, guys. So the next opportunity at Amazon is called Kindle Direct Publishing. And all you gotta do is do Kindle self-publishing on Google, and then you'll get to this page. And what it is that if you ever wanted to write a book, this is the way to do it, guys. Okay, it's very fast, and anybody could upload their book and publish it in less than 5 minutes. Look at this. Self-publish ebooks and paperbacks for free with Kindle Direct Publishing and reach millions of readers on Amazon. Get to market fast. Publishing takes less than 5 minutes, and your book appears on Kindle stores worldwide within 24 to 48 hours. Make more money. Earn up to 70% royalty on sales to customers in the US, Canada, UK, basically all over the world. And then you get to enroll in the KDP Select and earn money earn more money through Kindle Unlimited and the Kindle Owners Lending Library. And you keep control. You keep control of your rights and set your own list prices. Make changes to your books at any time. Then you can publish in digital and print. So publish Kindle ebooks and paperbacks for free on Kindle Direct Publishing. Get started today and you can just get started for free. So this is a very great way, guys, to kind of get yourself out there and get known and get your value, whatever you want to put in your book, and get out there and sell on Amazon Kindle. Okay, so this is a free option, guys, so it only costs time. So write your book and get published. Okay, the next one I want to show you is being an Amazon merchant. Okay, now this is going to be one of the most involved ways. Now the next 3 ways basically are building businesses, okay, on Amazon. So if you notice, the first 4 sites is just working for Amazon as an employee, kind of, right? So like Amazon Jobs, Flex is a driver. But for Amazon Turk, it's not really Amazon provided, but they're just giving you a platform where you can meet businesses and workers can meet together to help each other. And then now Kindle is for self-publishing. And so I guess this one is also online business as well, because you're not really an employee of Amazon at all. Now here, you're going to be a merchant, okay? You're going to be an Amazon merchant. This is option number 5, being an actual vendor on Amazon, which is very involved, guys, okay? This is probably one of the most exhausted ways to go about making money from Amazon, because you're just going to have huge costs for inventory. It depends on if you are making your own product or sourcing it from somewhere else, and you got to buy the inventory and store it and do all the marketing and pricing and packaging, delivering, because you got to ship yourself. Because you can see here, this is why I have this up here, okay, guys? You can tell this is just a merchant because they do not ship from Amazon. This is being shipped from this company, okay, Georgian Company LLC. So this is a vendor on Amazon. So this is another way to make money with Amazon. The 6th way to make money with Amazon is Amazon FBA, okay? What does Amazon FBA means is that so this option is not as involved as the last one, because you don't have to buy the inventory and store it. What you're going to do is buy the inventory and ship it to Amazon's warehouse. So they're going to ship it. So this is where it says shipped by Amazon. So that FBA means fulfilled by Amazon. And so that means that you're going to get all the products, ship it directly to Amazon, and Amazon is going to take care of the shipping and the packaging of the product and giving it to the customer, delivering to the customer. And they also take care of any returns as well. So Amazon FBA is going to be a little bit easier than being an Amazon vendor in that sense. And you have the advantage of being an Amazon Prime product. If actually, I don't know if that's part of FBA, but if your item qualifies, then you could have even more chances of getting sales, because a shopper like myself, I always look for Amazon Prime as well, and I want to make sure it's being shipped from the US. So this is another option. And then the seventh way to make money from Amazon is my favorite way. My favorite way is being an Amazon Associates, which is you're going to be an affiliate for Amazon, and you don't have to buy any products, and you're just going to be promoting the products already on Amazon, okay? So you can earn between anywhere from 1% to 10% for promoting any of the merchandise that is already selling on Amazon.com, okay? So this is how it works. You're going to join it. It's easy and free to join. And then you're going to get up and running today. Just one approval to join. No third-party advertiser approvals. Then you're going to choose from over 1 million products to advertise to your customers. Whether you are a large network, content site, or blogger, we have simple linking tools to meet your advertising needs and help you monetize your website. And then you're going to earn up to 10% in advertising fees. Earn advertising fees from qualifying purchases, not just the products you advertised. plus our competitive conversion rates help you maximize your earnings. But you gotta make sure you know how to start promoting something like this and being an affiliate. And that's when you need to go to a place like this, okay? This is where I have started in 2016 to learn about affiliate marketing, guys. Affiliate marketing is about just promoting other people's products and earning a commission. And this platform is where I started, and they taught me how to build an affiliate website that can drive traffic, because you're gonna need traffic to promote your affiliate offers. And so this platform teaches you how to build a website that drives traffic and how to promote it, guys, okay? So it's very powerful training, and this is where I started with my affiliate marketing journey, and I make a full-time online income with this training, guys, okay? And it has worked. If you log on to this website for free using my affiliate link, which is workanywherenow.com/team Littlemama, and then you're gonna get my face on here, and you do want to get my face on here, guys, okay? You want to make sure you see my face on here, or else you're not gonna be signing up under me. And if you don't sign up under me, then you won't get my bonuses, which is very awesome bonuses. And so I want to also help you in your journey. So it'll be great if you do sign up with me using workanywherenow.com/team Littlemama, and then you could get in. So you could get on for free this way, okay? You see here, no credit card required. And so you could jump onto my profile. How do you gonna find me? My name on here is Littlemama, and that's where I'm known as Littlemama, okay? And so you can look me up, and then look on my profile. You could see blogs on my right side underneath my profile. You will see my whole documentation of my journey there. You can see how much money I've been making there, and it's great stuff, guys, okay? So this is the 7 ways for you to make money with Amazon, and of course the best way is the Amazon affiliates. And I've been an Amazon affiliate for a long time, but not directly. Like I don't build like a full-blown Amazon website, but the website that I do have, workanywherenow.com, and on my YouTube channel, I do have little bits of Amazon products on there, and I do make some money here and there, but that's not my main promotion, because affiliate marketing there's tons of different affiliate products for you to promote. And at Wealthy Affiliate, you can learn to use any topic that you want and promote any topic that you like and build your business around that topic and make money, guys, okay? And Wealthy Affiliate is going to do it for you. And if you go to workanywherenow.com/team Littlemama, they're going to take care of you and help you and train you to be one of the best affiliate marketers, okay, guys? So I hope you liked this video, guys. If you did, please give me a big thumbs up underneath this video, and if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel, okay? Subscribe and hit that free badge, okay, guys? And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can see when my next video comes out, guys. I come up with videos every single week, and I hope I see you on the next one, okay? Bye.